Hey guys, it's Kyle Bennett with HardOCP.com, and today what we have for you is the Gamdias Gaming in Motion chair. This chair has an extraordinary RGB illumination strips on front and back. So we thought we would give another gaming chair a try. This is the Achilles model P1-L, done by Gamdias, or Gamdias, depending on which one of your videos that you listen to them for their promotional materials. But anyway, we're going to call it Gamdias for today. And outside this having a nifty RGB lights, which of course we'll show you too at the end of this video. This chair is the P1-L, which L stands for large, or the fat boy size, as you might know it. And so hopefully we'll fit in it well. And we'll see how it all works. So what we're going to do is we'll get to the Gamdias P1-L, we'll get it unboxed and put it together, show you that very quickly, and then we'll show you what the chair's like at the end. And then we'll sit in it for a month and then write up a review later. The chair, the Gamdias P1-L Achilles, was packaged really well. The only thing in the packaging that stood out was that the tool set was open. And I mean, it had been previously closed, but it got smashed. And so there was a hex head Allen wrench in there that was loose. There was one fastener that was loose. And I believe this is for, is that either for the rails? For the rails or for the chair bottom. We'll have to see what the instructions say. But so I did have some parts and pieces loose in there. The box was sealed up well enough with tape that I didn't lose anything, or at least I don't think I did. It doesn't look like I did. But once we get it all going, we'll see what happens. As many people are often concerned with, this is the base. Obviously that is not plastic, it is cast aluminum. Has reinforcement down the legs on the inside. Feels very, very sturdy. And so let's get our casters in. Let me see. My first guess on our casters, those are pretty big. I like big casters. Generally make things roll easier. I'm going to say these don't feel tremendously well made, but we'll see. 130 minutes. I'd say 25 without throwing out the trash like I did. I think I talked to my children out there while I was in the garage. So this also has footrest in it. Let's see. Flip up. All right. Moment of truth. You know, I'm not going to tell you that that's the most comfortable footrest I've ever used because, well, it's only about as wide as my fat calves are anyway. But let's see. Let's check the. Okay, I'm locked in. You know, that's actually pretty nice. I don't know if I'd trust myself to actually sleep there. I don't really in your arms. I don't know. It's interesting. So to get up, you can flip the thing down, get your back up, come back. Hey, you know, that worked a lot better than I thought it would. So that's back there. Okay, let's talk about construction and putting it together. It went together really easy. Don't have any complaints there at all. I'm glad they sent us a regular Allen bolt wrench, hex head wrench for the sorry, the sun just came out over there in that window. Getting a bad glare out. Let me turn around this way. And they also sent us this big hex key, which was much nicer in putting the bottom on and the sides on, or put the back of the chair on. You saw me struggle with that a bit. Some of those threads were not really clean on the sides of the chair, which that made that kind of difficult. So it was nice having that bigger wrench. But if you'll notice down here, and in the review we'll cover this a little bit better, you'll notice that you don't have any accoutrements, you don't have any mechanics on the outside of the chair there. It's all tucked in, which this chair is a bit wider. I'm a pretty wide guy. I fit pretty good in this chair. You know, like I said, this is a fat boy chair. So, you know, fat boy's sitting in it, so I'm pretty good here. Kind of some of the bolsters here, you know, the whole race car, gamer car thing, which obviously you're not getting thrown out of the seat while you're in the chair. It's kind of stupid, but whatever. But overall, okay, it's got a nice firm cushion in it. Could probably lean back just a little bit more. So, we're gonna give it a ride and see how it goes. Let's listen to the casters. These casters almost have a vibration to them, kind of thing going on. And I know it's not the floor because I've been sliding around in that son of a bitch for the last 3 months, and that's like on ice. I don't know. So there you go. We put together the Gamdias Achilles P1-L gaming chair, and we're going to sit in it for a while, see how it all works out for us. This is Kyle Bennett with Hard OCP. I'm glad you actually stuck around this long in this video. That's amazing.